Hey guys, welcome to a new video. Today we'll be looking at how to build a rock paper scissors game using Python. This is a fun beginner project that will help you understand user input, random choices, and conditional statements. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a fully functional game that you can play against the computer. So without any further ado, let's get started. We're going to start off by importing the random module. We're going to say import random. The random module allows the computer to make random choices. Next, we're going to define a function. We're going to call the function play game. This function runs one round of the game. Next, we're going to create a variable and we're going to call it choices. And in this variable, we're going to have a list that's going to contain our options, rock, paper, or scissors. After that, we're going to create a variable and we're going to call it computer choice. And when I set it to random.choice, in this parentheses, we're going to have choices. This will tell the computer to select one of the options from that list we created earlier. Next, we're going to create a variable and we're going to call it user choice. You're going to set it to input, enter rock, paper, or scissors. And at the end, we're going to have a dot lower so that it works regardless of what they typed. Next, we're going to say if user choice not in choices, print invalid choice, please try again, and then return. Next, we're going to say if user choice is not in choices, print invalid choice, please try again, and then return. This checks if the input is valid. If it is, we're going to show an error and then exit the function using return. We're going to create a print statement, and in this print statement, we're going to tell the user what the computer chose using an F string. Then we're going to say if user choice is equal to computer choice, print it's a tie. Basically, if both the player and the computer chose the same thing, it's a draw. Otherwise, user choice equals rock and computer choice equals scissors, or user choice equals paper and computer choice equals rock, or user choice equals scissors and computer choice equals paper, print you win. Basically, these are the three conditions under which the player wins. If any of these are true, we display you win. Otherwise, we print you lose. So if it's not a tie or a win, then the player loses. Now we need to create a loop that allows the player to keep playing until they decide they want to stop. So we're going to say while true, play game, and we call the play game function to start a round. Then we're going to create a variable and we're going to call it again. And then we're going to set it equal to input. Do you want to play again? Yes or no? And at the end, we're going to have a dot lower just to keep the inputs consistent. So essentially, after each round, we ask the player if they want to play again. If again is not equal to yes, print thanks for playing, goodbye, and then break. So if they don't type yes, then the loop ends and then we thank them for playing. And that's it. Now we have a fully functional rock, paper, scissors game created with a few lines of code. And that brings us to the end of this one. If you enjoyed or found this video helpful in any way, shape, or form, then consider leaving a like and subscribing. Turn on post notifications to be the first to know when I upload a new video. Also, if you have any constructive criticism or any questions or anything, comment them down below. And until next time, thanks for watching. Peace.